Hey guys, it's Kayna, and today sobrang perfect kasi dumating na yung Shopee order ko. Sobrang perfect siya ngayon kasi dito kami ngayon sa resort, and look! So ang kinuha nating Shotties Jello shots is yung variety pack, which has 4 jars inside, and there's 12 shots per jar. So ayan! So exciting. So we have the premium one and also the fruity one. Saw these shots from IG Reels and in-order ko siya. Kasi, syempre, na-curious ako kasi Jello shots. I think these are the first Jello shots here. So I'm so excited to try them. Sabi, kakatanggal ko pa lang sila sa packaging, amoy na amoy mo na. Now, we're gonna be trying Shotties Strawberry Jello shot. Also yung Shotties Irish Cream Jello shot. Tapang! Woo! Woo! Sobrang tapang. I get why it's trending right now. Lasa siyang strawberry. Woo! Oh, lakas! Gets ko na kung bakit siya trending. May tama talaga siya. Isa pang flavor. Have tequila lime. Madali lang siya buksan. Ang tapang! Tapang. Ang tapang! Nakailang shot na ako? Nakatatong shot na ako, guys! Did you know each shot has 12% ABV? If you guys are looking for the best potluck to share with your friends, or if you're going to a party and you don't know what to bring, definitely Shotties Jello shots. Lakas ng tama. 1 shot pa lang, ang lakas na ng tama. Woo!